You're listening to AI Prism from Seoul Economic Daily.
If you're in your first 5 years at a Korean company, 25 votes just changed the conversation about how your bonus gets paid. SK Hynix production workers rejected a deal that would have paid 60% of profit sharing in company stock. The margin was 50.08% against, 49.92% in favor. And the pay rise on the table, 6.3%, was already higher than Samsung Electronics. It's Wednesday, August 26th. Let's talk about a trend affecting young professionals in Korea. Korean employers have been shifting more of variable pay from cash into equity, arguing it aligns staff with shareholders. Younger workers carry the price risk without the seniority to absorb a bad year. That tension just broke into the open at the country's second-largest chip maker. Here's what the numbers show. 7,535 votes against and 7,510 in favor, a margin of 25, sent SK Hynix's production union back to the table on turnout of 93.81%. The rejected package paired a 6.3% base pay rise with profit sharing split 40% cash and 60% company shares. The technical and office union approved the same terms with support in the 60% range, and any revised deal could be applied to them as well. The September Business Survey Index came in at 102.0, its first reading above 100 in 6 months, with manufacturing jumping 13.3 points to 101.7. The Financial Services Commission will let licensed operators file interest rate reduction requests through AI agents on a customer's behalf, after a pilot cut about 100 billion won, roughly $71 million, in interest costs for 160,000 people. Hana Bank is running a savings promotion paying up to 5.0% on deposits of up to 500,000 won a month for 6 months, through October 31st. So what does this mean for young professionals in Korea? Earlier, we said 25 votes changed the conversation about how your bonus gets paid. Here's what that actually means for you. The cash versus stock split is now a negotiable term, not a fixed policy. And the argument that won was about price risk rather than headline size. With sentiment turning positive across manufacturing and services for the first time in nearly 5 years, this is the part of the cycle where mobility is cheapest and a stated compensation preference costs you the least. SK Hynix reopens bargaining, with the cash-to-stock ratio the central issue. The U.S. will finalize its $103,265 professional visa fee by year-end, which affects overseas postings at Samsung Electronics, SK Hynix, and Hyundai Motor. The Hana Bank promotion closes October 31st. That's today's AI Prism, Early Careers. This episode was produced with AI assistance based on Seoul Economic Daily reporting and reviewed by a human editor. AI Prism is a Won IFRA award-winning series. We'll be back tomorrow.
You've been listening to AI Prism from Seoul Economic Daily.